Turned out to be a really nice day, even though it's cold. Not bad for the end of January. Trying to find that railroad bridge with the turntable. It doesn't work anymore, but it's kind of like the one I did on the bridges of Madison County. See if I can find. Oh, here's an underpass, railroad underpass. So, oh, I see it to the right. No parking anytime. It's right through there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how I can get to that. Well, there it is there. You can't really get to it. It's all private property. Well, let's see what else we can find. Alright, so I just talked to one of the locals. He said you'd have no access to this train bridge. The closest you can get is where we were. I'll drive back there and see. I gotta get out and take a look at that. We're on Schilling Road. This bridge here, built in 1911. Union Pacific is going across the top of it. Wisconsin Southern is on the bottom going underneath it. It's about 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunny day, beautiful sunny day. Wind, as you can hear probably. So it's kind of cold. Wow, what a beautiful bridge. There's a lot of traffic here when I pulled up, but now I haven't seen anybody. Look at how that's mounted on those pillars. It'd be great to see a train going by any one of these tracks, wouldn't it? "1910" it says on there. Got a little artwork, I guess.